Hello everyone, today we are going to look at what are deep diving animals. If we dive to the bottom of swimming pool, the first thing that we notice is our ears will hurt. This is because the difference in pressure between the air in our ears and the water. In the sea, the marine mammal will feel the pressure by 1 atm for every 10 meters they go down. The pressure is greater under the sea as the seawater is denser. The pressure that have been applied to underwater will reduce volume of air filled in the lungs. This can lead to serious problem which is decompression sickness. Mammals have some adaptation to counter all these problems. So, we'll look into Cuvier's beaked whale. It is 2,992 meters in length, making this whale the longest diving mammal on record as well as the deepest one. The mechanism of respiration occurs. It exhales all the air in the lungs before plunges, prevent crushing effect and reduce gas absorption, become negatively buoyant, and descend quickly to depth. It also diverts the blood flow from extremities to essential organs which are brain and heart. Thirdly, it shuts down the digestion, kidney and liver function to conserve oxygen. So, how much air can a whale's lung hold? A whale can store around 75% of oxygen in the circulatory system, whereas humans can only store about 36% of oxygen inhaled. Whale can hold its breath for 10 to 60 minutes. Blue whale, which are enormous in size, has lung capacity of around 5,000 liters. So, how diving mammal species are able to survive for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and even longer without breathing? So, the problem with going on deep sea is the pressure increased by 1 atm for every 10 meter down in ocean. Seawater is a lot denser, causes greater pressure, reduce the volume of air filled in lung, and can cause decompression sickness. So, most of marine mammals have undergo evolution which make them lose their external ears and sinuses. Although that, some of them, such as sea lions and fur seals, still have ears. During a dive, their ears will fill with a bloody fluid which forces any air to be out from there. The marine mammals don't store oxygen in their lungs, but they store it in their blood and muscles. They have very high blood to body volume ratio. This makes their blood so thick and viscous. Marine mammals contain high concentration of hemoglobin in blood and myoglobin in muscle. Both of hemoglobin and myoglobin stores oxygen for them. They also have mammalian diving reflex for better submersion survival, also to prevent decompression. So what are the similarities and differences between hemoglobin and myoglobin? Firstly, both contain iron-containing protein as their central metal. Second, both are globular protein. Thirdly, both have the ligand as oxygen. The differences is the capability of the oxygen molecule with the same heme proteins is what makes a difference in both the molecules. Hemoglobin has 4 chains of 2 different types depending on the type of hemoglobin and makes a structure of tetramer, while myoglobin contains single polypeptide chains so-called a monomer. Hemoglobin binds carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitric oxide, oxygen, and hydrogen ion, while myoglobin binds with oxygen only. Hemoglobin is found systematically all over the body, while myoglobin is found in muscles, tissues only. Hemoglobin present in higher concentration in red blood cells, while myoglobin are low in concentration in blood. Finally, hemoglobin are somewhat binding curve, while myoglobin have the hyperbolic curve type. Thank you.